Hello, yes, this is a filler video. Sorry, the filler.
It's just a filler video. It's not really much any.
What do you? Boy, do I do? Yeah. What do you think of? Okay. Boy, I really do. What do you think of filler videos? Okay, boy, I really do love. Cool.
You haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks. How is this a filler video? Because I don't really know what to do right now. I'm not very creatively right now because of school and yeah. Sure, yeah. Blame school. Yeah, sure.
It is school. They're giving me too much assignments, especially my English teacher. Oh my god, he gives me so much.
Lies. Why do you have time to do this when you should probably be doing homework?
Shh.
Grease.
Wait, who's this?
Today I'm going to be teaching you some breathing techniques to relieve stress.
Hey guys, watch Jack. I think he could kill himself.
Child, anyway, so.
Oh my god, shut up. That's it, you can leave. Goodbye. See you in another 5 weeks. Hello. Yeah, who are you?
Hello, I'm Kevin Spacey.
You're not?
Yeah, I am Kevin Spacey.
You're not Academy Award-winning actor Kevin Spacey. I told me. Are you barking?
Enemy we have. Remove man from the scene, and the root cause of hunger and overwork
Why are you leave, please?
Forever.
Leave.
I'll never leave.
Go away, please. Jesus, oh my, go away. Stop barking, jeez. Oh my god.
Can you not force your religion down my throat? Thank you.
Where did you come from?
Your mother.
Oh my god, Dad! Oh, I miss you so much.
Transition. Another 5 weeks. Bye. No, what are you doing? No, puppy, no. Yeah. No. This bit is so unfunny.
Child, you did not just say that.
That's it. That's the video. I have a new camera. Now, so yeah. Maybe I should actually try making stuff instead of this crap. This is nothing. This is so empty. If you watched all of this, you've
Do an upload schedule.
You've had a strange Wow, I was just so rudely cut off. Anyway, now it's time to sing a fun song with my backup singers. Here we go.
La la la.
Flute.